So here we are finally working on the cement structure. I'll show you that. And there it is up there. My guys are fixing that corner, working on the cement structure, and we're moving forward. So that's awesome. You'll see in this video a bunch of things that my guys they've all been working on, landscaping, and so many things happen in one day. Anyway, we're very happy to be moving forward. So stay tuned for a very exciting build on the river. So our excavation guy took down a couple of trees, brought them down here by the fire. And Virginia is trying to light it so we can get rid of it all.
Hi everybody. Trying to get this fire going. I put some kerosene on it and it started. The nice thing about kerosene is it doesn't blow up in your face, which is great. Gasoline will blow up, so will diesel won't either. But diesel's more expensive, and I had kerosene left over, so I poured some on here. And I'm throwing some kindling wood now to get the fire going before I put anything else on it, because if I put anything else on it, it'll probably quench the fire, and I definitely don't want to do that.
Where are those roots from?
Roots are from the ground here on the river, and from Helene, from the storm. And this is just kindling wood that we use from cutting up some stuff. And
We actually pulled the roots out of this area here. I think I showed that in a previous video. And we're going to try and get this all flattened out eventually. But what else are we doing today?
so today we're going to do the foundation work on the house up there, and they're going to pour cement so I get the plywood out of the shed. So I got to move some things around because I kind of buried the plywood behind the 2x4, so I got to move the 2x4s out.
The plywood for the forms.
For the forms for the cement.
Right. Okay, great.
Exactly. It looks like the fire's taking now, so
Awesome.
happy about that.
And hopefully those roots will burn. It gets hot enough, it'll burn. I've been cutting all of this stuff up here from this big pile. It's probably got 3 or 4 trees there that he had to take out. And I've been using that chainsaw right there. It's a little 12-inch DeWalt. Easy to handle. I also have a Husqvarna 440 if I need it, but I don't foresee needing it. Okay, down again. Come this way about 2 inches. Now in. Now up. Not going anywhere. So this is a conclusion of a very productive day. We had a lot of landscaping done here on this land.
Yeah.
And burnt a lot of stray wood. You know, we had our first campfire. And they're doing a lot of work on the cement structure, which I just showed you. Well, earlier, you've seen that. They're going to reinforce that corner and fix that. And got anything else to add?
Well, it's a lot less buggy now that a lot of the
Foliage.
shrubbery is gone, because we've got a ton of stone on the property, which is absolute blessing. So very happy about that. And now just moving the dirt around. So amazing what an excavator can do compared to like
Really amazing.
yourself doing it.
We're picking up one stone at a time, and he's like,
Well,
amazing.
we were picking up, flat stone so we could put it up on the bottom of the cement structure, but then our contractor said, no, you don't need to do that.
yeah,
Which
I
is kinda
asked
cool.
him.
So, now
So much work.
we're gonna do, what do they call that?
We are just gonna do pallet wood shingles.
Okay, pallet wood.
Like a previous video that I did. I'll try to remember to put a link to that at the end.
Yep.
Probably put a ledger board of pressure treated wood.
Okay.
And put some kind of waterproofing special stuff on that will,
Something for boats,
something that will,
marine.
and then we're gonna
botnets or
spray the
something.
whole thing with like a borax water mixture to keep away the bugs, and
Hopefully that works.
hopefully it'll work.
And if
Okay.
it doesn't, then we'll let you know. Us too, let us know, because we love to hear from you, because I'm sure this isn't the first time that,
Somebody's
anybody's
tried to
done
do
anything
this.
like this. So.
Yeah, we've
Let us know your
talked to a
thoughts.
lot of different people and asked questions and gotten help on YouTube, and just like everybody else, and you try things and it keeps you entertained in life, and that's what life's about, staying
The older I
entertained.
get, the more simple I want life to be. So, not entertained
Yes,
by
and we both have gray
catastrophes
hair.
or,
So
spending too much money when you don't have to. But anyway, we're trying to do this on a budget, which is always fun. So we're gonna look for some windows. We gotta get a window for the peak of the building. So we don't really know. It's gonna be 812 roof, which is really sharp, which is really cool. But we gotta know, like,
we're thinking
what we can
circular
fit.
or hexagon,
Yeah.
maybe,
Hexagon, we'll see. This
or
is
maybe
really
not.
fun,
If we don't find something that fits right and looks right, we won't do that.
right?
We're flying by the seat of our pants and having fun doing it.
Exactly.
Stay tuned.
Thank you.
See you soon. Thanks for
Bye.
watching.